Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Media Studies Pro, your ultimate guide to mastering video production, filmmaking, and high-quality recording techniques. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your videos, camera focus. We'll cover what it is, why it's so crucial, and how you can use it to create professional videos and jaw-dropping shorts. So, what exactly is camera focus? Simply put, it's your camera's ability to capture a subject with crystal clear sharpness. When you nail the focus, your subject pops, looking crisp and detailed, while the background can melt away into a beautiful blur. This is what gives your footage that sought-after cinematic look. On the flip side, if your focus is even slightly off, your videos will look blurry, unprofessional, and can easily frustrate your audience. Focus isn't just a technical setting. It's one of the most powerful tools in filmmaking and video recording. It directs your viewers' attention, telling them exactly what's important in the frame. Proper focus instantly elevates your content, giving it a polished, high-budget feel. More than that, it's a key part of visual storytelling. By controlling what's sharp and what's not, you can emphasize emotions, reveal details, and guide the narrative without saying a single word. Alright, let's talk about how to achieve and maintain perfect focus. You have two main options: manual focus and autofocus. Manual focus gives you complete creative control, allowing you to precisely set the focus point yourself. It's perfect for artistic shots and controlled environments. Autofocus, on the other hand, is fast, convenient, and incredibly smart on modern cameras, making it great for vlogging or capturing unpredictable action. Another critical concept is depth of field. This is controlled by your lens's aperture. A low aperture number, like f1.8, creates a very shallow depth of field, which means your subject is sharp and your background is beautifully blurred. A higher aperture number, like f11, gives you a deep depth of field, keeping both your subject and the background in focus. Don't forget to use your camera's focus points to lock onto your subject, and always be mindful of how movement, both yours and your subject's, and distance can affect your focus. Now let's get creative, especially for shorts and social media videos where every second counts. Using focus is a game changer here. Make your foreground subject tack sharp while blurring the background for that cinematic, professional vibe that stands out on any feed. Try a focus pull. This is a technique where you smoothly shift focus from one object to another within the same shot, creating a dynamic and engaging transition. For subjects that are moving fast, use your camera's continuous autofocus mode, or try shooting in slow motion with manual focus to get a polished, epic look. The theory behind all this magic boils down to three core elements: depth of field, focal length, and aperture. We already touched on depth of field and aperture. Focal length is essentially how much your lens zooms in and how it frames your subject. A longer focal length, like 85mm, will compress the background and make it easier to blur, while a wider focal length, like 24mm, will capture more of the scene. Mastering the interplay between these three will give you complete control over your focus and unlock that truly cinematic quality in all your videos. And that's your complete guide to camera focus. We've covered its importance, practical tips for nailing it, creative uses for shorts, and the fundamental theory behind it. I hope you found this breakdown super helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, share this video with a fellow creator, and subscribe to Media Studies Pro for more filmmaking and video production tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.